Hey everyone, in this video we will be generating or creating realistic AI art using Freepik's new Mystic model, one of the most powerful AI model for detailed lifelike visuals. So let's just get started. You can go over to your browser and go to freepik.com from there and log in into your account if you are not logged in yet. And you can just go over and create a free account if you have not created an account. It just takes a few moments for that. And from here, what you can do is you can just go over and go to this generate image section. So just go ahead and tap on it and open up the AI generator for Freepik. And once you open it up, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and select a model selector. So here in this section, we have this option called model. So click on it. And you can just go ahead and select this option of Mystic. When you go ahead and select this option, these are all premium features available. So if you want to use it, you need to have the premium version available. And this model is designed for ultra realistic, cinematic, and natural looking art. So it's very great for portraits. You can just go over and select it up and go over and add it up for great portraits, landscapes, and photo style renders. And once you do so, here in this section, you can just go over and type what you want to create. For example, a young woman. You can just go over and type in such kind of prompts, that will help you create a mystic art for you. So you can just go over and add in prompts. You can look out for different prompts over the internet and type it out. And once you enter up the prompt, you just need to go over and click on this option called generate. And once you click on generate, it should start creating up the image in just a few seconds. And Mystic will be producing 4 stunning images. Each one has a realistic tone, texture, and lighting, almost like a real photo shoot. So you can just go over, and that's how you generate ultra realistic AI art using Freepik's Mystic model. It's very fast, free, and gives you professional looking results every time. So if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and tell us what kind of AI art you want next.